So if your periods are delayed and you get only spotting or very low menstrual flow and you are very sure you're not pregnant, I'll be sharing with you the recipe of a tea that will help you in your situation. And what's more, it's so simple, you can make it with the ingredients that are found in your kitchen, in your home. And trust me, within 12 to 24 hours, you will see the results. So today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of a powerful tea which will help you if your periods are delayed or blocked. And if this tea does not work for you, I'll share with you the alternate solutions that you can try at the end of this video. So watch the video till the end. Regular periods can become delayed due to a number of reasons. It might be your sleep is irregular, it might be you have eaten a lot of junk, it might be you are suffering from hormonal imbalances, or maybe you are suffering from a lot of stress lately. All these contribute to delayed or scanty periods. So in this video, we will first discuss the science behind the use of each of the ingredients. What are the ingredients, how to make this tea, how to take this tea, who should be using this tea and who should not be using this tea, everything. And even if this tea does not work for you, what should you use instead? We will discuss everything. Okay, now let me quickly show you the science behind this tea. Each ingredient is not just random, it has a proven reproductive effect. Ginger contains gingerol, which stimulates uterine contractions and increases the pelvic blood flow. Cloves contain eugenol, which enhances the microcirculation and supports the start of bleeding. Cinnamon improves circulation and warms the uterus. Black pepper helps the body absorb all the herbs better and adds warmth. This combination makes the tea extremely effective for delayed, spotting only, or stuck periods. And it's really easy to make. In 2 cups of water, add peeled and cut ginger, about 1 inch, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, about 2 to 3 black peppercorns, and 2 to 3 cloves. Now let it boil till it's half. That is 2 cups reduces to about 1 cup. Now strain this 1 cup. You can add honey if you want. Drink this 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening. And trust me, within 12 to 24 hours, you will get your periods back. So if you have watched the video till this point, I am very sure you are facing some fertility challenges. And if this is so, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it. Because on this channel, we share with you 100% safe and natural fertility solutions. So you don't have to suffer the side effects of expensive medicines. Finally, a warning, this tea is very potent. Don't take it every day. This tea is only if your periods are delayed, or you get spotting only, or you have cramps but no bleeding, or your uterus feels stuck, or you have had junk food and carbs suddenly. So don't drink it regularly every month. So in a nutshell, do not take this tea daily and during pregnancy or early in your cycle, or if your period is already normal. Okay, let's assume you took this tea every day, morning and evening for 3 days at the end of your normal menstrual cycle and still your menstruation did not come. What to do next? This just means you are suffering from a severe hormonal disbalance and you need ovulation tea and luteal phase tea both. You have to take ovulation tea from day 1 till your mid-cycle, which is usually the 14th day, and for the rest of the days 15th till the end of your cycle, you have to take luteal phase blend. The herbal combination in both of these teas will help you balance your hormones and normalize your cycle. And like all our products, these are 100% herbal, natural, toxin-free, available on our clinic. You can come and buy it from us, or you can order online on our website also. Finally, if you too are suffering from some menstrual problem and this tea has helped you, in the comment section below write period tea so that everyone knows how effective this tea is. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.